some amount of achieving your whatever you go. So what they'll use, and you can improve your language by interaction. Hey peeps, welcome back to another video tutorial from English with Neha. So today here I am to solve your problem. So I've got some solutions to your problems that mostly I've heard this complaint from you guys that my mind goes blank whenever I speak English. Even my mind also goes blank whenever I speak English because this is not our mother tongue. There is so much influence of our mother tongue in our country like India, because we have lots of languages in India that we have to learn, we have to hear, we have to speak. So our mind is under pressure that you need to speak or listen the different languages, right? It's okay, and it's okay to fumble, because I am also fumble while I'm making videos for you guys. It's okay, it's a natural thing. I won't edit any video because I need to provide a natural content for you, so I won't edit maximum of the part, and it's okay. But what is the solution to overcome it is, first thing is practice. Practice is the key thing for anything, right? So without practice you can't be a language learner. But if you want to learn something, you need to practice for that. You need to put your efforts on that. So at that point you'll get after practicing you'll be achieved something. You are with some amount of achieving your whatever you goal. Okay, the second thing is substitution. Your formula of substitution will work for you. Really, trust me, I am using this because if for example I'm exhilarated to see you guys. So whenever I speak to you, if I don't remember the word accelerator, I'll easily replace the word I'm extremely happy to see you. Accelerator is the meaning for extremely happy. So I'll just use the word if in a case I don't get the particular word I have to use. It's okay, and this will help you guys. This will help you to boost your confidence. And the third thing is, don't compare with others. Never do that. If someone is speaking better than you, it's okay, learn from them, but don't compare your English and with their English. Okay, don't put your mind under pressure. Next thing is, try to imitate your favorite one. It's really it will work. Definitely it will work for you. Imitate like them, try to speak like them, but don't compare with them. See, comparing and imitating is two different things, right? How they are pronouncing. See, imitating is the best way to learn English, guys. Literally any language, imitating is the best way. There is no hurry. Practice little amount. If for example, from today I'm gonna talk in English for 5 minutes, and for the next day I'll improve it. I go for 10 minutes, and for the next days improving 7 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you guys. But the thing is, you have to improve, increase your time, but start from very initial amount of learning. See, for example, if we take a baby in a baby who is learning new words right now, he or she, the baby starts learning a few things, a few words, and then she'll improve. For example, just take our example, live examples like you and me. I am started learning English from my initial days, like in my school days. I have started learning English. So I have set of words that I am in that days. I have set of words. I will used only those words, and later I've improved. It's just a part of increasing you. It's just a thing that you have to increase your practice and the way you interact with each other for the learning of language. and go talk with the native speakers. If you won't find a native speaker, go the person who speaks well English, not better, well language. Go for them. Go talk to them. Be contact with them. That will also improve your English. And put your mind in a tremendous situation, because your mind have to be very active when you have to learn something. Guys, if you find any native speaker or any foreigner, go and talk to them, because they don't know other language than English, right? You have to interact with them in English itself. So in that case, you can you will know different words from them, the phrases, idioms, what they'll use, and you can improve your language by interaction. Literally, by interaction, you can improve your language. It's okay to do mistakes. It's okay, but you have to realize. You have to correct your mistakes. That's the basic thing. It's okay, guys, if you do any mistakes, if you are weak in grammar, it's okay, but you have to correct it. That's the main thing. And go guys, take your first step, okay? And if you has no friends or no one to speak with you, you yourself, prepare your mind that you have to speak at least 5 minutes, that I've told you in the before steps. Prepare your mind in very tremendous situation, that you have to speak. Literally, you have to speak in any situations. It's okay to do mistakes. No one will point you. It's okay by judging people. It's okay to judge people, because if you do nothing, they'll judge you. If you do anything, they'll judge you. Don't just lose your confidence. Don't just let your confidence down, guys. Literally, don't do that. Okay. And another problem is, instead of speaking, you are learning so much of English. You are learning around English, about English, literally very much. But there is no use. I've seen a lot of people that they are literally, they are learning everything about English, but the problem is they can't speak. There is no matter, there is nothing. It's not the point. There is nothing to learn around and about the English without speaking. Guys, listen. Without speaking, there is no use of learning much about the language. This is my intention. Okay. And no matter how much you learn about English, if you are not putting actual time and efforts in speaking English, and I hope you get my point, right? And use ordinary words in English. I've told you in the beginning that don't influenced by fancy speakers. It's okay, because they are born, if you compare with Americans, they are born in America. So there is English is the only mother tongue for them, and mostly they use English. I'm not talking about Spanish and Germany. They are minimum, but maximum of people use English. Don't compare with them. It's okay. Beginning of your learning any language or anything, use common words. Most ordinary words. And guys, put yourself under uncomfortable zone, that uncomfortable situations, that they will work wonder for you. Trust me, they will work wonder for you. Okay. Just remember what we have discussed. First thing is practice. Second is substituting the words. And third is don't compare with others. Never do that. Okay. And it's okay to do mistakes until you correct their mistakes. Okay. And fifth, instead of learning a lot about a language, try to speak it out. Speak it. If you speak, then you will get a language. Because this is not a subject, guys. This is a language. You have to speak it out. You have to interact with others. You have to make an interaction. Then you will get English. Not only English, any language. software, whatever. You get any language if you follow these steps. This is my opinion, and to sort out your problems, so I came with this list. Yes, this is for today, and thank you. If anyone is new to this channel, please do subscribe, guys. You guys need support. I mean, I need support from you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Yes, bye.